Good morning, children. Jesus loves you and so do I. This is Teacher Kennedy Jimintiza, your teacher for Mathematics 6. Praying that all is well with you today. Are you ready and excited to learn? For this week, our lesson is about adding similar fractions. As you watch and listen to this video, I want you to be reminded with 4 simple tips for you to understand the lesson. First, stay in your comfortable place. Second, avoid doing unnecessary things like playing. Third, take down notes, especially the important things. Fourth, always remember the concept that you've learned from the video. As we start our lesson, I have a question first. Have you already eaten a pizza? If so, how many slices it has? We have here 8 slices of pizza. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For example, you eat 2 slices of pizza. And now, there were 6 slices of pizza left. How can we write the slices that you ate to the total number of pizza in fraction? Like this, 2 over 8. 2 here is the number of slices you ate. 8 is the total number of the slices the pizza has. In our activity a while ago, 2 over 8 is called a fraction. When we say fraction, it represents equal parts of a whole or a collection. In a fraction, we have the numerator and the denominator. When we say numerator, it is the top number in a fraction. Example, 2 over 8. 2 here is our numerator. When we say denominator, it is the bottom number in a fraction. Example, 2 over 8. 8 here is our denominator. What do you mean by adding similar fractions? Adding similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8. They have the same denominators. How to add similar fractions? Adding similar fractions is like this. First, let's add the numerator. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next, let's copy the denominator, which is 8. Therefore, 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8 is equal to 5 over 8. Let's have another example. 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6. First, let's add the numerator, which is 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Next, let's copy the denominator, which is 6. The sum now of the numbers 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6 is equal to 9 over 6. Always remember that the answer must be in its lowest term. Lowest term means the form of a fraction in which the numerator and the denominator have no factor in common except 1. So in our answer a while ago, 9 over 6 has its common factor. What do you mean when we say common factor? Means a number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers. Now let's find the common factor of 9 over 6. Let's start. 9 is equal to 9 times 1. And also 3 times 3. Next, let's find the factor of 6. 6 is equal to 6 times 1 and 2 times 3. What is the common factor now of 9 and 6? Yes, it is 3. Now let's divide 9 over 6 by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. We have now here 3 over 2. Therefore, the sum of the numbers 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6 is equal to 9 over 6 or 3 over 2, which is the lowest term. Another example, let's add 7 over 9 plus 5 over 9. Following the steps that we have, let's add first the numerator. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Over, let's just copy the denominator, which is 9. We have now here 12 over 9. Since we need to be sure if our answer is in the lowest term, let's factor 12 and 9. Now let's factor 12 and 9. 12 is equal to 12 times 1. 6 times 2 and 3 times 4. Next, let's factor 9. 9 is equal to 9 times 1. 3 times 3. Since we have now the common factor of 12 and 9, which is 3. We will divide now 12 over 9 by 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, the sum of the numbers 7 over 9 plus 5 over 9 is equal to 4 over 3. Now that we have finished our discussion, I want you to answer some activities that I have prepared. Just look for the study guide for you to be guided to what you're going to do. I hope you learned much. Remember to stay godly and excellent. Jesus loves you, and so do I.